What are some questions students should ask about paying for college? You may use the audio option to record your answer. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank are government loans based off the income of the student's family, credit cards, co-payments, grants, financial aid. If a credit company charges above the rate, it is called A, usury, B, interest rates, C, default. Match the types of charges with their correct definitions. Column A, 1, credit property insurance, 2, credit life disability insurance, 3, service charge, 4, penalty charge. Column B, A, guarantees payment of some or all of the balance due if the buyer should die or become disabled. B, protects the purchased items against damage or theft. C, this may help include court costs, repossession expenses, and attorney's fees. D, this covers the seller's cost of bookkeeping, billing, and so on. Why is it important to check your credit report yearly? Choose all that are correct. A, to make sure your credit is in good standing to purchase or apply for items. B, to make sure your accounts are accurate and not in collections. C, to make sure you have enough money in your bank account. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. A person who does not pay a debt is said to be in default, ejection, forbearance, garnishment.